Good afternoon from my garden. It's September 15th, a little after lunch, and it's raining outside. And I had intended for several days or weeks to take some time on September 15th to wish Tomie dePaola, the massive contributor to children's literature, happy birthday. Tomie dePaola was born on September 15th, 1934, which means he is 16 years older than I am. And I'm going to be very honest, I didn't much care for Tomie dePaola's books at the time I first read his work. Now I realize he was probably one of the greatest contributors to picture book writers and writing and to children that's ever existed. The main thing that I want to talk about is his creative effort in the creation of Stregonona, the healing crone, the grandma witch. I am a massive gardener, and I'm interested in the area of healing herbs. And I bumped back into Stregonona when I began researching the healing herbs and gardens. And I just had to look freshly at all the things that Tomie dePaola has left in terms of information, in terms of tips for illustrators, in terms of lessons for potential writers. Tomie dePaola influenced my own picture book, The Donkey Song, with his picture book, The Friendly Beast. In that book, Tomie dePaola wrote, and it was a traditional carol, and so it was not probably an original concept for him. He just merely waxed it and polished it and turned it into a picture book. But one of the lines from that carol is, "I said the donkey, all shaggy and brown, I carried his mother to Bethlehem town." And that very premise is the thought behind my own book, The Donkey Song. So I have a lot of things to be thankful, a lot of reasons to be thankful to Tomie dePaola. So I'm wishing Tomie dePaola happy birthday today on September 15th.